If you've ever walked Main Street, you can feel the history here. Main Street Zephyrhills tells a story that spans generations. From the early 1900s to today, these streets have seen growth, change, and renewal while holding on to architecture and character that makes them special. Many of the buildings you see here are original, restored, re-imaged, and now part of a downtown that's finding new life. Local businesses are leading that revival. Places like Nostalgia Pizza, Uptown Creamery, Tina and Joe's, breweries, and boutiques are creating reasons for people to come downtown and stay a while. Murals, music nights, family events, splash pads, and walkable streets make Main Street a gathering place that feels welcoming to all ages. Behind the scenes, city leaders, community advocates are working to make sure revitalization stays authentic. Projects like the transformation of the old movie theater into a community art space, new murals, expanded events are all part of that vision. Main Street isn't just trying to become something it's not, it's becoming a better version of what it's always been. A place to connect, a place to gather, a place that feels like home. If you love learning about the heart of our community, its people, its stories, and its future, follow along. We're sharing the places, people, and neighborhoods that make this area feel like home, and we're just getting started.